Hey what's up guys, आज हम अनबॉक्स कर रहे हैं Zebronics Transformer M gaming mouse and this is how the box looks like for the whole outlook of the box. Coming to the front side, we can see the image of the mouse and the name. On the side there are normal branding and all. At the back we can see some normal details like it is 3200 dpi USB interface, gold plated USB, it has breathing LED, braided cable and 6 colors LED. On the top we can see where it was manufactured and the MRP and all. Coming to the inside part, we can see मॉड्यूल जो कि कोई पढ़ता नहीं है, बस इस पर इमेज बनी हुई है और इसको साइड में पटक देते हैं. मेन चीज़ माउस, दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सीइंग. इसको निकाल लेते हैं जो कि बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी से निकल रहा है, पर कोई बात नहीं, निकल देगा. कमिंग टू द माउस, we can first see the gold plated USB which looks wonderful. Yes, it surely looks beautiful. And also the transformer style covering, what can we say, below it is metal plate with 2020 written and some basic info which we can obviously give, like if you want to. It surely gives a premium and comfortable feel. Also there are the gaming buttons which are 5 and 1 LED button. And so here's a quick look of the mouse for you. You can find the mouse for 443 rupees on both Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, that's it for today. Hope it helped you a lot and thanks for watching.